Hey everyone, welcome to Code with John, your new favorite place to learn coding step by step. Today, we're kicking off your journey into the world of web development with the very first lesson. What is HTML, y'all? Let's go! Alright, we see that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the skeleton of every website you've ever used. Whenever you visit a web page, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Google, HTML is behind it, telling your browser what to show and how to show it, or what to do. Alright, y'all. Think of HTML as the foundation of a house. It lays out the walls, doors, and rooms. Without it, nothing shows up in the browser. It doesn't make websites look pretty. That's the job of CSS. CSS is making your website looking pretty, and it doesn't make your website smart. That's JavaScript. JavaScript is doing that. Alright, but without HTML, nothing exists. Alright, so let's write our very first HTML page together. Alright, I got my editor open up right here. I'm gonna show you guys in the lesson 2 how to install your very own editor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up and then I'm gonna say doctype. Alright, doctype.html. Well, what does this do? We see that this tag, this very tag, tells your browser that you're using HTML5. Alright, so we're just gonna save that. Alright, not gonna. Alright, so then what I want you to do is create an HTML tag. Alright, so this tag wraps up all your content. It wraps the whole page. Yeah. So this is where everything is gonna be written. We're gonna write everything in this very tag right here. Alright, so then the second thing I want you guys to do is create a head. Alright, what the head does is it holds meta information like the title and so. Alright, you guys, what are we gonna create next? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to think. What are we gonna create next? What tag are we gonna create next? It's gonna be like title. That's the next tag we're gonna write. Alright, this is title. Well, what title do is it sets your the name in the browser tab. Alright, so you see this tab right here, it got nothing on the moment. Hello. Alright, wait, hello world. Alright, I'm gonna save that and I'm gonna hit it to my browser and then I'm gonna click refresh. You see there, hello world just popped up. Alright, y'all, let's continue. Alright, the next thing I want you guys to do is we're gonna create a body tag. So right here underneath head, the finish line of head, we're gonna write body. After you've done that, alright, what this body do is what this tag does. This is what shows up in the page, like here where the blank space is. We're gonna start creating in that body tag right now. So alright, here we go. So the next thing I want you guys to write out is H1. This is a heading tag, right? So this is gonna be how big your tag is gonna get. Like you get different heading tags. You get heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. It only stops until 6. It's this. Alright, there's nothing further than that. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna write hello world. Alright, you see that hello world is being created. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by the lesser let. Alright, if you go to 2, it's gonna get smaller and smaller and smaller. Look here. Alright, I'm just gonna go create a few tags. I'm gonna see right here 2. Say alright, I'm gonna get 2. I'm gonna create 3. Alright, 3, 4. Alright, your headings, right? So I've created 6 headings. I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna look like now. We got heading 1, heading 2, heading 4, heading 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. I'm gonna save this, y'all. Alright, wait, see. Don't close. Alright, I'm gonna save. Alright, we're saving there. I just have a technical difficulty right now, but yeah, we saved it. So we're gonna refresh. You see there, this is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and the last place is heading 6. It's the smallest heading. You don't get any further than that. Alright, let me show you. If you're gonna write heading 7, you see it's showing red. Alright, heading 7. I'm gonna save that because it doesn't exist. You're gonna get nothing. You're gonna get your medium standard tag. Alright, let's erase this. Alright, I just want to show you guys the different text you get. Alright, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna create a paragraph. So alright, let's go. We're not gonna write a paragraph. What you're just gonna say like P. Okay, what a paragraph text do is this is where you're gonna write in all your text. Like alright, I'm gonna write something simple. Like alright, this is my first web page. I'm gonna save that, and then I'm gonna reload here. This is my first web page. Alright, so what you guys learned today is quite a little bit. That's it. You've just written your first web page. Alright, what's gonna happen next? Now you know HTML is the language that builds websites. In the next lesson, we'll set up your computer so that you can code with me and build your very first real web page from scratch, y'all. From scratch, from the ground up until space. Alright, no, that's gonna be too big. I'm just kidding, guys. Alright, so what I want you guys to do, if you like this lesson, is gonna hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on lesson 2. And let me know in the comments what kind of website would you love to build one day. Alright, this is John Mono, and I'm out.